Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, I'm going to open up another monthly subscription from BohemStyle. And in case you're interested in this subscription, I will leave a link for it down there below the video. So let's see what's inside. Last month I got two amazing pieces that I love so much. The bracelet, I've been wearing it non-stop. Now in case you didn't know, in case you're new to this, this here is a piece of paper that has a link to a video tutorial that will show you how to make both pieces in this kit. And I think they are now putting the finished piece on the front of this, which looks like this necklace here. This is really cool. That's a neat design. Okay, so there's always two projects in this box. And by the way, I've never had a problem understanding the tutorials for this subscription box here. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. We have these are like jump rings, but they're soldered shut. They don't open. And it's a rope design on them. And I've gotten these in previous subscription from this box, and they're really cool. I love them. And actually, I would like to go onto the site, right here's the product code, and buy some of these, because I would love to do brick stitch with these. They would be awesome for earrings, and I'm thinking they probably come in different sizes, and that would be a really cool project to do. Okay, so what else is there? We have eye pins. They're short little eye pins, and I guess that's going to be for the front of the necklace here. And we have crimp tubes, lobster claw clasp. These are some large ones. Oh, these are beautiful. These are 8mm check drucks, and it looks like the Labrador color. Is it shiny or is it matte? I think it's Labrador. It's shiny. These are pretty. I've always seen these in 3mm, 4, and 6. This is the first time I've ever had them in 8mm. You know what? I don't see these beads on this. Or is that them right there? Maybe? I don't know. It's kind of hard to tell in the picture. Then we have crimp covers. And what is this? Ball head pins. So this is going to be for the dangle, I'm guessing, on the front there. And then we have bead stringing wire. Stainless steel nylon coated. And I don't know how they do it, but every time I get one of these boxes, there is enough bead stringing wire. They know how to cut it the perfect length. These are incredible. This is the Etched Glass bead that is becoming so popular. Wow, look at that. Oh my gosh, I don't think my camera is doing this justice. That is incredible. That is like magical. I cannot believe that. It's turning from blue, purple, green, and then red, and then purple again. And then it's clear on this side. And it's that rough, etched look. These are so cool. I love these. And I'm also really excited about these here. Rings. I have used these rings. Here, I'll show you a bracelet. I have it on my desk. This here, I made this bracelet. I call this Loopy Celtic Beaded Bracelet Tutorial. And these are check rings right here in the middle of the bracelet that is connecting the two sides together. I have a tutorial for this. You can go and watch it. Anyways, I got these rings from Check Beads Exclusive. And these rings can be used to make this awesome bracelet. Man, I love these. They're so pretty. I wonder if this is going to have a matching bracelet. Sometimes they do that. They'll have a matching set. Wow. These are so cool. Man, that color is amazing. Okay, and here are 3mm check drucks in silver. Same silver. It's Labrador, or is it matte? It's Labrador. And it's full coat. The whole bead is silver. It's not half. And then we have jump rings, some thick ones, I have to say. They're pretty thick, 8mm. And we have Noodle Beads. These are cool. I've never bought these, but I've like gotten them from recycling jewelry at thrift stores. It's basically a metal tube, and they call them Noodle Beads. Oh my gosh. So this is, wow, these are so light. Is this glass? It has to be. Why does it feel light to me? Am I crazy? Maybe I'm crazy. I think everybody's a little crazy. I know I am. That's for sure. But at least I admit it. So this bead is shiny on one side and matte on the other. How do they do that? That is so cool. Do you see that? It looks like a washer. Matte and shiny. I'm really excited about this project. This is going to be different. It's going to be different. It's going to be very interesting. What else? There's a gift in there. I'll save that for last. Are these cubes? Okay, so this is the Etched Glass with cube shape. These look really green. These are so cool. What else? What else? Are these? Oh, these are melons. For a second, I thought they were hex cut. Is that what they're called? These are melon beads or pumpkin beads. There's a ton in this bag. A handful. They're so pretty. How long is this necklace going to be? Because, oh my gosh, this has to be a matching set. Because all the beads look similar to each other. So it's probably going to be a necklace and a bracelet. Yeah, I think so. They are gorgeous. I'm really, really excited about making a piece. And I'm going to lose my beads. I'll put these away later. Okay, what's the last thing? Oh boy. Oh, there's something else here. What's this? This is a 8mm split ring. And then we have, are these earrings? Oh my gosh, this is a bonus. Merry Christmas. This is a special gift for you. I think this might be earrings. I'm going to move this to the side because I don't want to lose anything here. So there's these two hoops here, which I think are earrings. And then we have these. These could be extra beads, or they could be earrings. Are they earrings? Is that, what is that? They might be extra beads. I don't know. I'll see when I put it together. If I have leftover beads from this, I'll see if I can make earrings. This is going to be fun. I'm really excited about this project. But then again, I have to say, I've never been disappointed by these designs that I get in these BohemStyle boxes. They're always really trendy and beautiful pieces. So here's everything laid out, and there's a lot of stuff here, and I just realized the really cool design that they're doing here. So if you look at the picture, they have these really cool bead dangles coming down, right? And I could tell that they're gonna have these melon beads on the eye pins, and they're going to be connecting the pins to these gigantic jump rings. And then looking right here, it looks like what they're going to do is have the noodle bead be in the middle of the necklace, and these jump rings are going to slide over the noodles, and they're also going to be using these giant ring beads here, these ones and these ones, over top of the noodles. That That is so ingenious. I love this design. And since there's two noodles there, that's making me think that this here is going to be in both the necklace and bracelet. That's really cool. I'm super excited to work on this project. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will leave a link for the subscription down there below the video in case you're interested. Please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. Make sure you click the bell button to get notified when I upload new videos, and check me out on all of my social media sites. I am on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Thanks for watching.